What it is, guys? Your boy Roy Jay-Z. So we're back at it again with another video. So for today's video, we're gonna run out of gas on purpose. So let's get into today's video. You feel me? So look, I be having a lot of people asking me, how far can you go on one tank of gas? Well, we're gonna find out. So what I'm gonna do right now is drain most of the gas out the gas tank, and we're gonna go to the gas station and fill up and see how much gas we put in. Then we're gonna go take a journey on the riverbed and see how far we go before we run out of gas. But I'm definitely gonna be carrying me a backpack full of gas, just in case, so I can stop at the gas station. I don't want to be stranded. But yeah, man, like I said, let's get into the video. And if you got any video ideas y'all want me to do as far as how to tune carburetors and anything with motors and stuff like that, turbos, let me know in the comments. But let's get into today's video, man. Hey, look, and thank y'all for all the support, all my real subscribers. You feel me? We don't gotta do none of that extra stuff to get our subscribers. Thank y'all for watching, man. Let's get into today's video. So look, man, I forgot that I cracked my pipe at the rideout. So what we're gonna do is load this up real quick, and we're gonna go on our little venture of running out of gas on purpose. So let's get to it. Alright, so it ain't the prettiest, but this pipe shouldn't break. So what I did was I used it. If you buy 2-tool Predator brand new, it come with a spark plug tool. So these are the piece that you put into the spark plug tool to break the spark plug loose. And I just did something nice, neat, simple. You feel me? But like I said, it ain't the prettiest, but it shouldn't break. So hopefully it works. You feel me? Alright, so we have the gas tank empty, so we're gonna do is pour the rest of this stuff, and this is all the gas that I'm gonna have to get to the gas station so we can fill up, so y'all can see how much gas it takes to fill up this gas tank I have. This is the custom gas tank I got. Don't worry about where I got it from, you feel me? Ain't nothing too special there, you feel me? But yeah, man, we're gonna pour this in, so let's get to it. Alright, so we're at our first gas station stop, so we're gonna see how much gas we put up in this thing. We do that 91 octane. Alright, so $1.93. You saw it was going up, I'm not even using it. Y'all see that? Look. I'm not even using it. Shit went up to $2 on me. Crazy. I gotta watch out for scams. So we're getting our app ready, so it track how long it takes, and it would track the time. So let's get to it. I'm debating whichever's faster.
But yeah, man, I'm gonna be updating y'all in between every little checkpoint that I do. But that is crazy that the gas pump is just going up by itself. And I be seeing that stuff on Instagram. People be like, oh yeah, they are scamming people. They're going up 1 cent each time. Like, I don't know how gas pump works, but I know they shouldn't be charging me when I'm not getting gas. So I'm gonna be in between going full throttle and going like half throttle, nothing too crazy. And I'm probably gonna take the street as far as possible, so it's not too boring for y'all. Hey, we gotta make a little pit stop, no cap. I gotta go to the bank. Oh, I'm right here, the riverbed is right over there. Like this part right here is cop central for some reason. It's a lot of police that be over here. Nope. But look, man, what we're gonna do, not disturb the peace, we're gonna pause it. So now we gotta hop off right here just to get down where we wanna go, bro. Huh? What'd you say?
What up, kid?
What's up?
Yeah, race. Come on.
Huh? We can see. Oh yeah, you easy. Look, can't even get up the hill, my boy. Come on now. Too fast, too serious. Look, I'm putting gaps on people, bro. Come on now. We need to go sell it, put it on off-road. Nah, I don't let nobody ride it. Nah, I don't let nobody ride it. Nah, I'm good. Hell no, you ain't get it on this. If it was able to catch up to it, yeah, I'll let you ride it, but you're not gonna hop on this. Yeah, this costs more money than that. Oh my mama, you ain't riding this thing. Look, he's way back there. I'm putting buses on road. Woo! Woo! Let me ride it, man. Get out my face. Woo! Kids don't catch me. Too fast, too serious up here. This is a stock motor. Come on now. That video I said put some screen to that California gearing. You gonna be right, you feel me? Woo! Woo! And it's vlogging. He better not be following me. Better not be following me on my mama. Woo! 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 Oh yeah! Yeah, put gaps on it. So look, man, we already doing let me pause that. We already did 5 miles, 5.1 miles. So that's pretty good. And I bet you this tank is still full. We could probably get 20 to 30 miles out of this. This is our first checkpoint because normally when you're going to Long Beach, you're going to stop at that gas station that's over this hill right here. You'll be good to go. But you feel me? Like I said, we're doing the challenge where we're going crazy on 1 tank of gas and see how far we go. We already doing 5 miles. That's pretty good for this bike, you feel me? You see I had the gap, bro, on this thing. We got the police right there, you feel me? In this area, it's kind of like a lot of cops because it's a square area. But look, this is a stock motor with some 26-pound string, a PWK that's bogging a little bit with a race pipe. This is definitely a race pipe because it's ported and all that stuff over there, with a clutch that is catching. The clutch is low-key catching. It's kind of used. But yeah, man, we doing what it do. And man, we finna get back on the road, so let's get to it. Alright, so this is low-key like the dirtier part of the riverbed. Once you get almost to the Long Beach side, you start seeing a lot of trash and homeless people, stuff like that. Yeah, man, we basically made it to Long Beach on one take of Can I get an 8, man? You see all this water? It is cold right now, man. And I just got over a cold, bro. Runny nose and everything, bro. I'm gonna have it back water. Long Beach in Ohio. Hey, comment out if you made this far in the video. I want you to comment down below where you're from, man. I'm from Linwood, California. Hey, you feel me? Represent y'all city in the comments, man. You know, we got a lot of people from everywhere, from Detroit to fucking from Chicago, Illinois. We got some people from like Brazil type stuff. Like, it's crazy like how far YouTube push out your videos. But look, man, we made it to Long Beach. This is like the final checkpoint before I head back. You feel me? So that is pretty good. 1 tank of gas made it this far, bruh. So let's go ahead and pull that thing up. So where we at? Turn the brightness up. Do the beat go off? So we at 11.3 miles, bruh. Hold on, put my visor up. 11.3 miles. Only took us, let me pause it. Only took us 23 minutes and 29 seconds, bruh. I will get the final speed of what I've been doing, and when I end this app right here, it send me the top speed that I've been reaching. But yeah, man, this is a stock motor with springs and governor delete. Home and just cruise around my city. We got the police. I'm not gonna lie, bro, my heart dropped, cause they don't play like, boy, they like to chase over here. They love to chase you over here, bro. And I was down there. I would have got ghosts, but still, it's the principle. Like, I don't got my phone, you know, man. So look, we're finna head back to where we came from, bro, the ghetto. So I'm gonna see y'all there. So let's get to that. Yeah, real me. So we're back with an update. Crazy thing, man. We're almost home. I don't know if you see that Home Depot sign. Once I pass that Home Depot sign, I'm basically back in Compton, bro. So that is crazy. That Home Depot sign is Paramount, and the next city over is Compton. So that is crazy. Let's see how much gas we have, man. Let me stop this app real quick. So we are at 19.5 miles. That is crazy on one tank of gas. And let's see how much gas we have left. Alright, so we're almost empty. We're like at, alright, in the car they got the low gas meter. We're like, our gas, I'll say our gas light is on. That's what I'm gonna say right now. We got the gas light on. So we're almost out of gas. So I think we can make it all the way to the Long Beach sign. Then we'll be out of gas. So that is pretty good. We made it all the way to Long Beach and back. What I'll say, you can go to Long Beach, but if you go on Long Beach, you might run out of gas in Long Beach. You can make it to the Long Beach little sign before you get really deep into Long Beach, and you make it back to Paramount and go to the gas station. So let's get this thing back on the road, man. That is crazy. We're almost home. If I go off right there, I'll be in Compton. Like, once you get over this bridge, that's Compton, and this is Paramount right here. We're on Alondra Boulevard. Yeah, man. Made it back to the gas station that we came from, bro. So that's crazy. I want to keep going further. Woo, we're out of gas. Crazy. Look, man. Let's see. So we made it. We did 21.9 miles. It only took us 42 minutes. We went all the way to Long Beach. It's basically like not even an hour type stuff. So let's see. We're out of gas. So I'm gonna go to the backpack. Fill her up. Sheesh, you can get this on Amazon. It holds like, let me see, it holds 750 milliliters of gas. And this to get you enough gas to make it home or to a gas station. So now you know. Crazy stuff. So we back with the gas in it, you feel me? So crazy. I'm not too far from home. So look, man, we finna conclude this video out there.